Mr. Vegas drops another heavy point. Everything in that shipment went through free, so why would he deflate the numbers? Vegas made it clear, if someone gives him something to bring, he wouldn't bring it. Simple as that. And when the question came up about Buju's motives, Vegas didn't go there. Sonic snap, let's get into it.
Me not even there the store, me there the Starlinks them, me can't tell you how big it is. Everything I got too free. So me no need to deflate the price then.
So what you're saying that Mr. Banton is playing politics? I don't believe an icon like that.
No. I'm not gonna say that publicly at this time. Right? There's things that I wouldn't do if people come to me.
You're gonna do some deep diving.
I would not do, and everybody have their own way of doing things. Somebody come to me and say, "Can I just go get some PMP?" Me not carry scrubs. That's my opinion. I say, "Can I go get some JLP?" Me not carry it. Because at the end of the day, me don't want to come down and I say, me bring down things to JLP. Me not blame a man where somebody give something and say, go give it to
but Mr. Vegas, so for my own interest, I would not even say that because that is a contract between me and them. Nobody need for business.
No, but Navi.